Hello guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily bold a word or a specific part of your message on WhatsApp. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. And of course, do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So, let's begin. And first open up WhatsApp app. And then just to get into some conversation, I'm just gonna open up a conversation with myself and then put in here some text. First, I'll just type in test message. And right now, in order to bold some part of this text, first you have to select it or highlight it. So, let's say I want to make message work bold. I'm gonna tap on this work twice to highlight it. Then you can drag it left or right to select the exact part of your message that you want to make bold. And then from the menu that pops up, you have to hit at Format and then select Bold. After that, you can hit that Send button to send this message. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial. And also, I recommend you to check out my WhatsApp tutorials playlist, which you can easily find in the description. Hit the like button if you like that video, and see you in the next one.